To set caption style to yellow on blue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap caption preference. Next, tap caption size and style. Tap caption style and then select yellow on blue. When you set this style for the caption, as you can see in this preview, the caption will use yellow font on a blue background. By doing this, if you have set to enable the caption, this setting will be applied to live caption and other apps that support the caption preferences. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.